case. This is on page 6 of the Star. The petition by Omtatah, according to the president, if this article is anything to go by, he says that it is an abuse of the court. So Article 140 of the Constitution makes it clear that a petition challenging a presidential election may be filed within 7 days after the date of the declaration of the results. Remember, Omtatah went to the courts long before even the results had been announced, and this is because he was contesting the validity of even IEBC conducting that particular election. But according to that article, that was putting the cart before the horse, so to speak. And this is because, according to that Article 140 of the Constitution, you are supposed to go to court within 7 days, latest within 7 days after the announcement of the presidential results.